Hi, I'm Marvin.
I'm James,
And I'm Jack.
and we're here to explain a little bit about precision medicine.
Cancer treatment has remained the same for many years. Chemo and radiation have been around since the early 20th century. That means people have been losing hair, throwing up, and generally feeling awful from their treatments for almost 100 years. Luckily for us, we are finally starting to understand how the human body truly functions. Modern medicine has recently begun to unearth new therapies for treating illnesses, and one of those is precision medicine, which has come to the limelight in cancer research. What is precision medicine, you may ask? Well, it's not something you can inject or take. It's a medical model, or proposed system of treating illnesses. The most important characteristic of precision medicine is its accuracy. Proponents of the model believe that treatment should be tailored to the needs of the patient and that medication should be administered based on each patient's genetics. At its core, precision medicine focuses on giving the right drug to the right patients at the right time. This is especially important because cancer really grows out of our own bodies. Generally, the same types of cancer are treated the same way, but people respond very differently due to the genetic changes that are unique to only us as individuals. One person's cancer can behave in a completely different way than another, even though they still technically have the same type of cancer. Precision medicine focuses these changes at a molecular level, ensuring that all variants are targeted. Since the completion of the Human Genome Project, which mapped out all the nitty-gritty details of our human DNA, we now understand which gene codes for what functions within the body, as well as the enormous amount of genetic variation between each and every person. Now, in order for precision medicine to be effective, scientists enlist the help of biomarkers. Biomarkers are what scientists use to differentiate one type of illness from another. They are extremely important to the prescription of medicine for each individual patient. Biomarkers can be molecules such as gene, proteins, or hormones, and we use them to target those genetic variants of cancer and diseases that I mentioned earlier. For example, if doctors find a biomarker of a specific type of lung cancer in a patient, they might be able to administer drugs that combat that type of cancer more effectively than generic therapies such as chemo or radiation. Remember, precision medicine is a model, and is not limited to using biomarkers to help pinpoint the right drugs. Other treatments can include adjustments to the patient's lifestyle and environment. For example, teaching patients what specific nutrients will improve their diet and aid recovery. It may seem basic, but health reaches far past just medication and requires holistic care. Advancements in science and technology have helped us gain a deeper understanding of the mechanisms that dictate disease development, as well as the individual variability in genes. Scientists are able to look at the environment, lifestyles, and personal disease information to identify and administer the best treatments for an individual. As more and more data about specific diseases are uncovered, doctors will be able to better predict the treatments and prevention strategies to help combat unique diseases. Anyway, I hope I helped clear up a lot of questions about precision medicine and cancer in general. Thank you and goodbye.